Hey everybody, so today I will be showing you the new Hampton Bay Huntington 3 ceiling fan. I was gonna put it in my collection, but I said, I'm changing my mind. This can go up in here. And yeah, these shades are not original. It did not even come with finished shades when I got it. And no pull chain extensions underneath, which I need to totally forgot to get that, but it's thundering outside. Here, I'll show you the top view of it. Yeah, these blades are warped. It's so, yeah, it's tighter, like, but it's not gonna like fall down at all. So yeah, this fan is in great shape. I'm gonna keep the light on. It's raining outside, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna start off with low. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that the lights are way brighter than the old one. The old bulb. Because it just we just needed a new one, because that's the reason why I just wanted it replaced. Wanted the old fan replaced because I just wanted it so bad, because it's just my favorite. It's my childhood fan, so yeah, I'm keeping this in my collection. So this is a low. It has a pretty fast low speed to it, other than the blades drooping. Other than that, it's in great condition. Yeah, it blows a lot of air, other than these blades sagging. It does wobble on high. Like, surprisingly it blows air other than those droopy blades. Yeah, because this room is being remodeled right now, because we are going to take these stars off, because in the other video I had the Hampton Bay Tripoli ceiling fan in here. And then, yeah, like, it's on YouTube. I have plenty of videos on that, so, yeah. Yeah, we're having a storm today. Yeah. It's wobbling a little bit on medium. As you can see. High speed wobbles a lot, but we might fix it. Yeah, this wobbles a lot. Like, yeah, like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but in real life it wobbles. Yeah. Alright, I will turn it off. Yep. Here, I need to show you the blades. Like, it's got white to bleached oak blades. Yeah, this is in my bedroom, like, cause I'm spending the night tonight. But yeah, here, let me sit on this couch. It's a pretty good looking fan. Like, but yeah, like this, I'm gonna have to replace that fan blade there. I tried to bend it, but it had a crack in it a little. Has a little crack in it, but it's okay. It can still be used on high. So yeah, like, This fan, I'm trying to, like, put that ring up there, but it's just, not, holding it correctly. I need to, like, put it up there, like, tight. But, at least that, this fan, just blows a lot of air. It's just, in great condition, like I said. Yeah. Sorry. And, yeah, it's got incandescent bulbs, as you can see. Yeah, it's way faster than that, Hampton Bay Tripoli fan that was in here previously. But, I got it replaced, finally. This is gonna be a long video, I think. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching.